Focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Y'all, I'm literally just jamming. I'm telling you, when I be having my music on, I'll be in my own little world. So it's my day off, content day. I'm really not doing too much. I did wanted to take some pictures because it's really nice outside, but I ain't even got no fit. I forgot how the e.l.f. concealer was, but the only thing that I don't like about it is like I literally had to go in 3 times because I was still seeing like the darkness under my eye. That's the only thing. See, like with high-end concealer, my Born Way, 2 times, that's it. But I'll say it's definitely a dupe for the Born Way concealer. Doing like a little quick, little simple bead. I really don't want to use like my expensive makeup because I literally gotta buy me some more. I gotta buy some makeup brushes and I gotta buy some more makeup. Oh my god, more makeup, y'all. Use this Banana Deep setting powder. Y'all see how small like this is. I wanted to use my Derma Blend one, but it's more like of a brown. It's kind of gonna take away my highlight. Let's get about some more Huda Beauty. I'll be running low on my Huda Beauty powder. Oh my god. And then I gotta get the Laura Mercier. That's why I say I literally have to re-up on my makeup, because like I'll be doing my makeup all the time.
Yeah, hey, you know how sticky it get. Hey, she want me to play with that cat. Hey, she love how I make it all wet. Hey, you know how sticky it get. Hey, hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid. And free big slime out the cage. And shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed. Cause
yeah. Yes, like oh my god, like look at that. Like this is why I stick to what I stick to, because like makeup is like already spread, and like I don't like that. You need water, you need bread, you need water, you need loose love, you need water. Normally, could keep my cool, but tonight I'm burning. Normally.
both sides let you know. I see both sides let you know. My pocket's stuck, they can't hold myself on. They ban my visa, my Amex and MasterCards.
Y'all, I'm so mad because I bought the wrong freaking lashes, so I just waste my money. I'm gonna show y'all. Like these is cute, but like not for my eye shape. Find lashes that fit your eyes, you don't want to go back. Like the Amazon, like that's literally, I got them off Amazon, but it was the wrong pair. It was like, no, that was literally like I want to say that was a different brand. But yeah, I bought some. They'll be here tomorrow. I like that fluffy look on me, like the fluffy cat eye look, cause so curly. I don't like. They way too curly. They don't. They be looking cute on some girls, but not on me.
OT diamonds is real. Show them how to shine by themselves. You need a cosign for your help. I need a.
See, I have a watery eye, cause I do, and I like. At first I didn't, and it's just like, oh my god. Like the older you get, like buying stuff for your place, you just be. You just be so happy. Like so mad I missed Bible study because I was literally buying stuff that I had needed, and before you know it, it was like 8 o'clock. I was like, oh my god. But next Wednesday I'm going for sure.
Bags, and they all collapsed. I rubber band a bunch of $1,000 Delta gift cards. My baby boy, amazing.
I already know what I want to do for my birthday, but like next year it'll be different. That's because like 2 of my friends new apartment, and then one of my other friend, she's moving to another apartment as well here in Dallas. So I was just like, I'm gonna just do something like small. But next year I'm going somewhere, like for real. I'm going somewhere. Like the older you get, you just, as long as I'm cute and eating good at this point, I feel like that's all that matters. So how I'm gonna, you know, my braids under my wig, y'all, it is so nice outside too. It is like 70 degrees and it's snowing back at home. I watched my friend snap. I'm like, oh my god, I do not miss
that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah, it was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be away with you, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying? And I can't lose.
I snooze and miss the moment. You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
And I promise forever. For you, we be riches in this fucking world. Baby, so comfortable. Girl, it's only you for me. No lie, I'm tried what they offered. They're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're mine, baby, when you ain't with me, you feel alone. And I was wondering if you always know. It don't have to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in time for her. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah.
Hey y'all, today is Friday, just a natural barefaced day. I got off work about 2 hours ago. It's 5:40. I'm on my way to different stores, so I'm on my way there. I'm gonna see what that they have. I'm looking for a birthday dress because you got birthday, of course. Birthday is next Sunday. I'm super excited about that because like y'all already know how I'm finna come. Like if you know, you know. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram as well. Having like some cute stuff here, and that's another thing what I like about Dallas is it's a lot of stores. But I do have this dress online that's really cute that I like. It's a little pricey. See, I have my coat on because it is cold in Dallas. It literally was 70 degrees, as y'all can see from my last video. I have my slides on, 70 degrees. And today it's cold as shit. Like, come on, Dallas. Come on, Texas. I'm excited to be with my friends and to eat good. The thing about me is like, I want to go to a place aesthetically pleasing and all that, but the food gotta be good. Period. If the food ain't, I don't care how cute it is, I'm not going. Like, no. That's why I love TikTok so much, because they going to give you the honest reviews. Like, literally, if this place good or if it's not, or if it's mid. But the place I'm going to, their food look good. Like, they got so many 4.5 stars. I'm trying my birthday off because I was not working on my birthday, because it's a holiday, period. Like, I'm not working. I never worked on my birthday. Like, I always take my birthday. It don't matter if I do nothing. Being cute, not doing nothing. Pick up back with you guys.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna just get the dress that I see online that I want. They had a lot of cute stuff. I tried to buy some perfume and it was a good price too. The girl customer service means a lot, because I don't even want to buy it no more. Like, you being rude as hell. I'm literally trying to ask you the price. I'm really trying to smell like, yeah, I thought he was a raccoon. I was scared. But yeah, I'm trying to buy me some perfume and she all rude. Girl, I don't even want the perfume. I go somewhere else. Customer service, it plays a big part in everything. But y'all, I'm finna probably go get me something to eat. It's almost 7 o'clock. I don't know if I want to cook or if I just want to just go buy me something. Y'all go ahead and order my dress because it is so cute. They literally, some of the dresses that they had up in there literally was like online. I was just like, I'm finna just buy the one that I really want anyway. Go ahead and spend money because it's literally, I think it's like the last one. So I'm finna go ahead and order that. Y'all finna go ahead and head home. I don't know if I want to cook or if it's still early. I need to stop acting so lazy.
Exit 427A on the right, onto I-35E north, toward Texarkana.
I'm so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much.
You can see I don't got no shower curtain on here. I had bought me another one off Amazon that I really liked it, and we just going with black. I had like a white shower curtain and I feel like black just looks better. My bathroom is like black and white. I'm just liking the black and white because that's what the interior of my apartment is. Y'all, it's the next day. It's late. Shower. I honestly, it's like 10 o'clock at night. And today is Saturday night. And this shower curtain came with rings and already a shower liner. Like, my bathroom is definitely giving like hotel vibes. Oh yeah, this is really good. I love the material. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so cute, y'all.
Fourth quarter. She a baddie, she showing her panties. She shaking like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in the deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the wop, but I just want the Fetty. And I'm bagging his partner on petty. Call me that B while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money. I get a lot. Taking her spot. If you ain't cooking, then get off the pot. My name Ice, but I always stay hot. Passenger princess, he passed me his knock. Baddest little bitch from my block. Me and baddies be getting along, so they always be singing my song. Stepping outside.
Hey y'all, so this is the end of this video. I'm just showing you the finished look. It is so pretty. It goes right with my bathroom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.